Hey guys, how's it going? How to use ChatGPT for beginners. So, what you're gonna do, go ahead to ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT effectively as a beginner, focusing on a single topic and gradually building on it. So, in my case, I'm gonna use the topic how to start gardening, right? And I will build off of that, okay? And you can see right here how to start gardening. This is the topic, right? And I can follow up with questions like with the question, what are the basics of starting a home garden, right? Question mark. And then ask for an overview. For example, like begin with the general question to get foundational information. Like, can you give me an overview of how to start gardening at home? Can you give me an overview on how to start gardening at home? And then they will answer with the they will answer the question and then dive into details, right? After the overview, pick one aspect and ask a follow-up question. This helps you go deeper step by step. For example, what are the best vegetables or best fruits, okay? And explore related topics to that. For example, like branch out into related areas to expand your knowledge. For example, how do I prevent pests in my home garden, or what tools do I need for gardening? So, for example, what tools do I need for gardening, right? And apply to your context. Ask ChatGPT for personalized advice based on your situation. For example, I live in a hot climate. What plants grow well here? Or, for example, I have small balcony. Like, for example, I have small balcony. Can I still grow vegetables, right? And then summarize and plan. Periodically ask ChatGPT to summarize what you've discussed and help you make a plan. For example, can you summarize the steps for starting a small vegetable garden, right? And follow up with that, right? And keep it conversational. You don't have to know all the details up front. Use the conversation to explore and refine your understanding organically, right? So as for the features, you can click the plus button right here to see the plus button at the bottom left. You can see I have already extended my free plan. You can click the plus button to upload a picture, photo, or file, right? To help or to make ChatGPT help you scan, refine, or explain or summarize what's inside that file, photo, or video, right? You can use right here the audio feature at the bottom right next to the mic. The mic is for transcribing your voice into a text. So basically turning your voice, they will hear your voice and then they will write it down in the message and you're going to be able to send it automatically. The audio voice next to the mic, that's a conversational update presented by ChatGPT to help you have conversation with AI and ask them questions. Like same here, but you're going to ask them orally. So you're going to tell them like, how do I buy the small plant? How can I help fix that problem? How can I grow my gardening, for example? And what can you summarize the steps for starting a small vegetable garden? I have a problem with my bank account. Basically, you're gonna have a conversation one-on-one with AI, right? And they will answer it orally instead of with the text. So if you want to do that, do it on your own time, because I'm using mic, screen recording mic, so I won't be able to click on it. Otherwise, they will mute my voice right away. And the two lines at the top left helps you to see the GPT features. You can see right here ChatGPT and GPT Video Creator and TubeBuddy, and explore ChatGPT right here to see more and more features for writing, for productivity, increase your efficiency, for research and analysis for high school or even college students. You can leverage those features in order to help you with your essay, article, whatever it might be. And you can see right here education and the lifestyle, right? So if you want the psychologist, or if you're interested in astrology, birth chart, and many more. Even for my friends that work in coding, programming, you're gonna be able right here to see another section that helps you with your coding, right? Coding plan. So do that on your own time, and make sure that you see right here, this is your history. If you want to minimize your phone storage, you could go ahead and delete your history in order to basically to not take much space on your iPhone. All right, you can see right here your name and the three dots next to it. Go ahead and click on it to see this is the tools for your settings. You can see right here the voice mode. You can use
Hi
Breeze.
there. Nice to meet you.
As you
I'm
can see
excited to
right
help
here, you can hear a voice.
done.
Hello.
In Veil.
It's lovely to meet you.
And
If
you
there's
can
anything
choose
you
the
need-
voice that you can have a conversation with by going back, and let me go back to that ChatGPT logo and see right here the audio at the bottom right to start a conversation with that voice. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.